Hello everyone, this is Diane. I have 6 new digital sets in my shop. 2 of them are advertising cards and the rest are postcards, and they're all antique. The advertising cards are from the Victorian era and most of the postcards are from the early 1900s. So let's just take a look at them. They are 5 pages each, and this is a set of Victorian advertising cards. I don't remember I don't even know what I'm going to name all of these sets because I haven't put them in the shop yet while I'm making the video, but by the time you see it, they will be in the shop. I won't put the video up until all of these are in the shop, but they should be near the top of my page on Etsy, and I will also put them into a category called New Digitals. So if you just go to the sidebar on the left of my Etsy page, you can see all the different categories, and if you click on New Digitals, these will be in that folder. Only these 6 sets. And then once they're not new anymore, I'll put them in with the other digitals. So here we go with Victorian advertising cards, and this one, I think I named this one Beauties. This one is in my shop right now. Beauties, Babies, and Birds. Beauties, Birds, and Babies. So we have a couple of pretty ladies here, and these really wonderful little bird cards. And this is from Arm & Hammer baking soda, and these are from tobacco. And this one was cut out. Whoever owned these previously cut this figure out, but it was one of the tobacco series. And these were all glued into a scrapbook. You can tell by the backs where it's torn. The back image is partially torn off when it was removed from the scrapbook. There are children. That's why I included babies in the title. And there's also this pretty scene. And these are both for Dr. Hand's Remedies for Children. So you can see you get a variety of sizes of ephemera. These are both for Days soap. And I don't remember what that one was for. I think these 2 were for the same. And this was for liver pills. Carter's liver pills. So it looks like a painter's palette, which is weird. And these children are in bed. They have bright red cheeks because they're sick. That's one set of advertising cards. The other set starts off with these really beautiful images from Lion Coffee, which was put out by the Wilson Spice Company. So there's a little boy. Looks like he's instructing rabbits or reading to rabbits, and there's a little girl collecting eggs or something. I don't know. She's got fruit in her basket, but there's chickens back there. But the images are so pretty. She's reading a story to the animals, and she's got a butterfly there, and there's a robin singing to her. So these are all for Lion Coffee, what you're seeing right now. This one is speckled. It's from Age. And this is the back of one of the cards because that's just as beautiful as the front. And there's the back of another one. A beautiful card in every package. And then I added this bird advertising card. I don't remember what it was advertising, but you can see the marks on it from Age. And this is the back side of one of those painter's palettes from the other set. I just needed something to fill in that space. And I like the backs of the cards too, so there you go. Those are the advertising cards. Now I have 4 sets of postcards. This one I might call something like International Ladies, because a lot of them are French postcards, but some are German, and there's even a Scottish lady in here. So They're just pretty ladies. This one, these two have postage stamps with a postmark on the front. There's another one that does. Most of them are French, like I said. And there's the Scottish lady. It says Highland Maid down there in the corner. I believe this one was written in German on the back. This one has some French on it. This one, wait, one of them has German writing on the front of it. I don't see it here right now. But those are some really lovely postcards. This one is a miscellaneous set. No, this one is children and photographic postcards. So they look like old photographs, which they are, but they're on postcards. And then I included some of the illustrated children postcards. This one is German right there. This is the one I was thinking of that had the German writing on the front. Look at those little babies. And I love this. I have to crowd them together to fit them onto the page. So it was all the way to the top of my 8.5 by 11 page, and of course there's a margin on each side, but once they scan, the scanner shrinks them down, so it looks like there's lots of space here. And why did I put them so close together? But I had to. They wouldn't fit on the page. I love this little girl. I just got this one. This one has the corner taken off. And this one is the miscellaneous one. We have fruit and flowers and animals. So here's some lemons and some cherries and some flowers. This is just a postcard advertising that they want live poultry. And that's my birthday, August 13th. I don't know what the year is on the back of it. I'll have to check that. I'm sure it was before I was born, but... So nobody knew it was my birthday. This is a little postcard with a calendar for 1910. I love these animal postcards. I've got some collies. I'm very partial to collies because I grew up with collies. Ours were blonde. Maybe these are sheepdogs, but they look like collies. But ours were more blonde in color than those. And there's some cows and some squirrels. This is a painting by Maud Scrivener, and I just got this one too with the bears on it. There's another animal one with a cat in a basket. This is Anne Hathaway's cottage, and I believe someone told me that Anne Hathaway is Shakespeare's mother. You can correct me if I'm wrong. This one, the birthday greeting part is glittery on the original postcard. And then lastly, I have a set of really beautiful flower postcards. So this page has pansies and poppies. 3 pansy postcards in this poppy, and that's one I just bought just this week. This one is embossed and it lifts up, it opens up to have a greeting inside that. It must have been sent in a envelope or some kind of a mailer, because it would have torn being sent the way it was. Write happy birthday greetings. You can see the postmark through the card. I just scanned these. You can see where the corners are bent on this. I scan them so you get to see all the flaws. This one has some violets and some lilies of the valley with a Royal Stuart tartan. Love the colors here. This really looks like a spring page. So there's some German text there, and somebody wrote on this upside down, but I think it's really hard to read the letters. Actually, it's in a foreign language. The printing is so tiny, but I don't think it's French. I think it's German. And then we have some lilacs and some, I guess, thought they were daffodils, but now I don't think they are. Some pretty forget-me-nots, I think, with some doves. Aren't they pretty? And somebody wrote on the front of that one too. So we've got some really beautiful postcards in the shop now, in addition to the ones that are already there. Flowers and miscellaneous, and this one is children and photographic postcards and lovely international ladies. And then we have 2 sets of advertising cards. Beauties, birds and babies, and lion coffee. So I've got my work cut out for me to get all of these put into my shop today. I have to put the watermarks on them and then get them all listed so I can get this video up tomorrow, and you'll be able to go check these out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back to work on my little golden book journals shortly. This is what I'm making to go with them when I put them in the shop. It's not a little golden book, it's a little Whitman book. Whitman Tell-a-Tale, so it's the small size book, and it's so cute, and I'm having so much fun adding elements to this little book. So come on back to see those books, and I will see you in the next video. Have a creative day today. Bye-bye.